Hello and welcome back to a new Get Crafty tutorial. Today we will be making a Christmas gift and we are going straight to tools and materials. It's a really simple tutorial, so you will be needing your mat, scissors, your material and also some weeding tool because we are working with iron-on. I have this Cricut weeding tool that you find with your Cricut machine, and I have this one from Tick Wrap. I ordered it together with my Tick Wrap iron-on that I am going to use as well, the glitter gold iron-on. So let's go to step 1, which is the Cricut design space. Just start a new project. I already did that, and go to text. I'm adding the font as well. So the font that I am using is in my Cricut design space available. It is called Culinary and it gives that decorative vibe, which is perfect for Christmas. So let's just go ahead and put in the names that I'm using is Ruby, and I'm going to make 2 aprons today. So I'm going to put the next one, Sarah, and just go ahead and place them here. I'm going to make it bigger, of course, because on the apron, we want it to stand out. And we already have 2 really cute names over here for Christmas gifts. It's still missing something. I'm just going to keep it simple, as I said, a beginner's tutorial, but we do want to add that kitchen chef's hat on it. So I'm going to add this one. It's really cute. I do not want them both to be the same, so I'm just going to use this one, resize it. Oops, wrong way. Go back and just place it on top of a letter. You can feel free how to use it. And then I'm going to weld them both together. There you go. Ruby is said and done. And I'm just going to scroll and look for something else. As I said, you have all kinds of shapes and images, but I do not want to make it really complicated. I just want to be a tad different from Ruby because it is a mother-daughter gift and we want it to be a tad different. So let's just go ahead and click on another chef's hat, but it seems that we are not having, there you go. So I'm just going to use this one, really simple and yet different. Okay, so we're going to do it on the same letter, the second one, and that's perfect. Just weld them again, and we have our design. Now that we have our names, I am just going to go ahead and click on make. For the next part, we are going to use an on mat, and I've just put my iron-on on it. As I said, iron-on, so means we have to mirror it because we're going to put it on our apron. So I did mirror the project and I just click on next. So you can see that the mirror is green and now it's just connecting with my maker through Bluetooth. Once it's connected, it will ask my material. I'm just going to go ahead and confirm that I'm using iron-on, glitter iron-on, really important because glitter iron-on is a tad thicker than regular iron-on. So the setting has to be correct because otherwise it won't cut good. And so it's really important to choose your glitter. So now that we have the material set up and we are really sure that we've put it on mirror, I'm just going to put the pressure on more just to make sure that it cuts through. And then the magic happens on your maker. So you will need to load the mat and the iron-on and just click on play and we'll let the maker do its work. So I'm going to fast forward until the cut has been done. Okay, so the cutting has been done and now we're going to weed. So I'm leaving the iron-on my mat because it sticks really good. And we're just going to use a weeding tool, Cricut or Tick Wrap, doesn't matter which one. And we're just going to peel it off slightly. So I fast forwarded because it really is stuck. And as my camera stand is broken, I need to use both hands. So I fast forwarded once everything has been weeded out and this is the result. So now let's go to step 3, which is our heating press. The heating press I love to use is my Vevor. It's a simple one. I'm going to link it in bio. This is my apron and we really have the part where we're going to stick on the iron-on. So we'll just place it on top and I do have this protective sheet that I use. This protects the tissue. So as you can see, I also wrap my iron on onto the plate itself. It's all heated up. I'm just going to go ahead and press it, and this has been fast forwarded. So yeah, we're really going to keep it short in this tutorial, but it is really warm. So I'm just going to remove the paper and iron on. You need to peel it off while it's hot. So I'm just going to peel it off nice and gently. And as you can see, it really peels off easy, and the iron on has been transferred onto the apron. So let's go to step 4, which is our final results. The aprons turned out wonderful. I made both of them. It is a Christmas gift. You can just give it as a gift as well. But what did you think about the tutorial? I will be sharing the project in bio, and thanks again for watching a Get Crafty tutorial. Have fun making!